Good morning, everybody. My name is Megan Landry, and I'm going to be your instructor for this class this fall. So I'm excited to start this journey with you in medical terminology, and I am hoping you will enjoy the class. Because it's an online class, it's going to be busy, and this class in particular is going to be busy. There's a lot of activities, which is great because it helps you really use the words that you're going to be learning in the terminology. Medical terminology is something you just kind of have to learn to memorize. There's lots of tips and tricks, but the best way to do it is to kind of use it. So I really like this class because it gives you a lot of activities. Now, the downside of that is you're going to look at everything you need to do and feel a little bit overwhelmed because there are so many activities to do. But after you get past the first week, you'll realize that most of them go pretty quick, and they're easy. None of them are all that hard. So what I'm going to try to do, I don't know if I'll do it every week, but most weeks I'm going to try to do a video that'll begin. I'll probably have it ready for you Sunday or Monday to kind of walk through the week. So as you can see from the screen, I'm in Brightspace right now, and this is how most of the weeks are laid out. Your screen may look slightly different than mine just because I'm in an instructor mode. So basically you're going to see the chapter 1 PowerPoint presentation. That's the slides, PowerPoint slides that come from the reading for the week. So you can review those. There's always usually a video. Not every week has a video, but most weeks do. So you can review the video. And then you're going to come down here and click on this practice exercises. And in here, there's a whole bunch. So like I said, the first week, I know it seems overwhelming. They go pretty fast. They'll go faster as you get going with it. This class doesn't have a lot of papers and projects, but there is a lot of activities to do every week. So, don't wait on that. So if we go back to, bear with me. If we go back to yeah, that's where I want to be. No. Right there. Okay. So then after the practice exercises, you're going to have usually a discussion board post. This week we have a class introduction, so I'd like you to go ahead and do that. It is mandatory that you do it, so please do that so we all get to know each other a little bit better. Then there's going to be a graded discussion board every week, and you'll need to post and then respond to 2 of your classmates by the end of the week. And then finally, there's going to be a quiz. This is a graded quiz. Everything's graded. So make sure you do it, or you're going to have zeros. So that's what each week is going to look like. Again, it's a lot when you look at it on the first day, so don't feel overwhelmed. You'll get the hang of it. Let's take a minute and talk about late work. Because you have a zillion grades in the grade book, having an occasional missed grade isn't going to be the end of the world. It's not going to tank your grade. I wouldn't miss any quizzes or discussion boards because those will end up being zeros, and zeros aren't going to be great. Try to do something because then you at least won't get a 0. And I don't accept late work. If you have a situation that's going to prevent you from getting the work in, then you need to reach out to me ahead of time. I'm pretty reasonable, but I also need people to do the work every week. So, let's try to kind of meet in the middle on that. So get the work done by Sunday at midnight. If you have a situation where you can't get the work done, I need to know about that ahead of time. And, otherwise kind of try to stick with it through the first couple weeks until you get the hang of it all. I think that's it. Reach out to me by email. That's the best way to do that. I check my email every day. I will get back to you. I might not have the answer to everything, but I'll at least respond to you every day when I read my email. So that's it. Good luck to you, and let me know if you need any help. Thanks.